Welcome to the rt-maax company. I am Anna Robot. In this video I will explain to you the principle of investing and working in rt-maax. Was established in Canada in the year 2015 and owns a license from the UK. Our capital gain at this time exceeded $22 million and we have branches in several countries. Our work was limited to invest in large amounts and major investments. And in 2022 we decided to accept small investments starting from $100. We work in the field of cryptocurrency trading, stocks and forex exchange, and we also invest in cryptocurrency mining. Our platforms are licensed from FCA CSEC FINMA CFTC. rt-maax is registered as a trusted company by Trustee Insurance Company.
Thanks, Anna. I am Max. I will talk about rt-maax strategies. You have the right to know how your money is being handled and in which fields we invest your money. We work with complete clarity and do not hide any information from our clients, as our investment policy is clear and specific. Trading strategy with Max Robot. Our trading experts have created a trading robot under the name Max. On the major global platforms through artificial intelligence techniques that are capable of making buying and selling decisions, and maintaining the risk management policy, and the risk-to-reward ratios. Trading through a programmed robot is of great importance, as there are no feelings that affect its trading decisions. It performs a specific function. It is not covetous or afraid, and human emotions cannot control its decision, which leads to stable results in a large percentage. And this is the goal of trading generally. Let's clarify some important points about our forex strategy. The success rate of trading deals is 70%. The risk-to-reward ratio in all our deals is 2-to-1. Which means that the winning deal wins twice as much as the losing deal, and since the success rate of our deals is 70%, the profit is certain. The risk management 30%. That's mean we trade in only 30% from your capital. We are trading in a cumulative system, meaning that the profits of daily transactions are added to the next day and we trade them, which doubles the accumulated annual profits. In a very huge way to return profits to us and to the investors with us. We invest in trusted companies and farms of cryptocurrency mining. By renting or even buying very large storage areas to meet the requirements of our customers and our investors. So we get the lowest costs, which brings us and our investors high profits. Other investment strategies. We place our investments in hedge funds to balance the invested money. We also buy many safe havens such as gold, real estate, and treasury bonds. We consider this to be a kind of risk management by investing in assets and safe havens. This chart will show the rt-maax growth rate. As you can see, the size of rt-maax has increased 3 times in the last years. Thanks. The investment officer will follow up with you.
Hi, I am Jeff, rt-maax investment officer robot. I will explain to you all the investment methods in rt-maax and how you will duplicate your capital through our compounding plans. So let the money work for you. Benefits of rt-maax compared to other projects. To start a traditional project, capital of no less than $20,000 employees, work system, choosing a specific field, experience in this field. Studying competition. But investing with rt-maax. You do not need any effort. You do not need any experience. You need an internet connection. Capital starting from only $100. Works in all countries without exception. rt-maax is mining and trading on your behalf and renting your own space for mining according to the value of your investment. For only 3% that you leave when withdrawing your profits. $25 that you pay when you purchase any of the company's investment packages. These are the only company sources of profits from your investment. Only 4 steps to start earning. Make the investment decision. Choose the package that suits you. Choose your payment method. Start receiving your winnings. Compounding trading and investment profits. Total return on investment up to 200%. Trading and investing service is 12 months. The profit is deposited daily into your dashboard. In any real investment or trading in the world, there is no fixed rate of profits. Profits always change according to market fluctuations. But rt-maax works through the strategy of artificial intelligence and our trading robot. And we achieve a success rate in our deals that exceeds 70%. And we work with a risk-to-reward ratio of 2 to 1, which makes our profits certain. The power of compounding investment. If you purchase any of our investment packages, you can achieve a return on your investment after 12 months up to 200%. If you rely on the principle of compounding trading, but if you withdraw any of your profits during that period, your cumulative profits will decrease. 5-year reinvestment plan, full compounding. You can imagine that after 5 years, the $10,000 have turned into more than $320,000. Also, you will get bonuses for each time you reinvest. rt-maax has 4 ways to invest. No compounding plan. 50-50 compounding plan. Full compounding plan. VIP compounding plan. No compounding plan. Example, if you buy an investment of $10,000 by 140%, you will get $14,000 including your capital. The plan period 365 day. You can earn your daily profits through your own page. You can withdraw your earnings every Monday. You can release your capital or cancel your plan anytime, fees 27%. Minimum withdrawal amount from your account $50. Your investment package is activated within 48 hours. Saturday and Sunday are an official holiday in rt-maax due to the closure of stock exchanges and trading platforms. A fixed administrative fee of $25 is added when you purchase any of the investment packages. rt-maax charges a 3% commission on every withdrawal you make. 50-50 compounding plan. Example, if you buy an investment of $10,000 by 160%, you will get $16,000 including your capital. The plan period 365 day. You can earn your daily profits through your own page. You can withdraw only 50% from your profits every Monday and other 50% reinvest automatically in same plan. You can release your capital or cancel your plan anytime, fees 27%. Your investment package is activated within 48 hours. A fixed administrative fee of $25 is added when you purchase any of the investment packages. rt-maax charges a 3% commission on every withdrawal you make. Saturday and Sunday are an official holiday in rt-maax due to the closure of stock exchanges and trading platforms. Minimum withdrawal amount from your account $50. Full compounding plan. Example, if you buy an investment of $10,000 by 200%, you will get $20,000 including your capital. The plan period 365 day. You can earn your daily profits through your own page. You can withdraw your profits and your capital only after 365 day. You can release your capital or cancel your plan anytime, fees 27%. Your investment package is activated within 48 hours. A fixed administrative fee of $25 is added when you purchase any of the investment packages. rt-maax charges a 3% commission on every withdrawal you make. Saturday and Sunday are an official holiday in rt-maax due to the closure of stock exchanges and trading platforms. VIP compounding plan. Example, if you buy an investment of $100,000 by 250%, you will get $250,000 including your capital. The plan period 365 day. You can earn your daily profits through your own page. You can withdraw your profits and your capital only after 365 day. You can release your capital or cancel your plan anytime, fees 20%. You can use P2P wallet service, internal transfer inside rt-maax. Your investment package is activated within 48 hours. A fixed administrative fee of $25 is added when you purchase any of the investment packages. rt-maax charges a 3% commission on every withdrawal you make. Saturday and Sunday are an official holiday in rt-maax due to the closure of stock exchanges and trading platforms. rt-maax, P2P, internal transfer. This service available for VIP accounts only, more than $100,000. You can make internal transfer between rt-maax accounts. Fees 2% for each transfer from sender account. Investment insurance. rt-maax company is registered as one of the trusted companies. Rating 5 stars in Trusty Insurance Company, one of the best insurance companies in the world for investment insurance. This is what makes our investors able to insure their investments easily. Trusty Insurance provides a special offer to our investors. You can insure your investment in rt-maax with only 10% from your investment amount. For more information, go to trustyinsure.com. Now the marketing officer will follow up with you to explaining who to work us. Keep watching if you are interested for increase your income. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I am Tyler, rt-maax Marketing Officer Robot. I will explain to you all the ways to work with rt-maax and how you will maximize your income. So let we start. There are 5 ways to work with rt-maax. Direct referrals, team earnings, level earnings, advertising plan, careers. Direct referrals, only for rt-maax investors. As a partner with rt-maax, you will get your referral link. For each transaction that any investor purchases one of the investment packages with rt-maax through your link, you will get 10% of direct sales. After you invite 3 investors, you can withdraw your profits, and you can start get profit from your team. Team earnings. You can benefit from the service after receiving your first profit from direct referrals. You have to build and support your team after inviting 3 investors through direct referrals and get your commission, 10%, for each investor. Then you can earn from their direct referrals. Your commission in 6th level will reach more than $100,000 after 6 months. Level earnings. As you can see, rt-maax will give you bonuses for each level you make with your team, which can reach to $100,000. Affiliate earnings investment wallet. In order to ensure the profits of marketers and employees with rt-maax, we have created a profit investment plan to increase the percentage of profits for our partners. rt-maax will invest 40% of the profits of our partners in a private portfolio and maximize their profits to more than 130% within 1 year only. Example. If you earn $1,000, then you will get $600 cash for withdrawal and $400 sent to earnings invest wallet. Then you will get 130% profit after 1 year. Advertising plan earnings. This way of earnings is available for investors and non-investors in rt-maax. You must send the request to the marketing department through an email. marketing@rt-maax.com. You should write in the email title, advertising plan, and in the description, the name and method of marketing or marketing idea. rt-maax will provide you with a set of advertising tools such as banners, logos, links, articles, and videos. And you will do your part to publish this link and tools on social networking sites, Facebook groups, YouTube, Twitter, or any other way. You will get rewards up to more than $10,000. Depending on the size of your advertising campaign and your activities. Get a job in rt-maax. This way for earnings is available for investors and non-investors in rt-maax. Advantages of working in rt-maax. Attractive salaries in US dollars. You can get quick promotions and salary increases very quickly. The company does not restrict you to specific working hours or a specific place to work. Very attractive rewards from the company when rt-maax appreciates your work and effort. If you want to apply for one of our jobs, we kindly ask you, after choosing the job you want to apply for, send your CV with the name of the job in the title of the email and send it to rt-maax HR department at the following email hr@rt-maax.com.
أهلا بكم في rt-maax. نحن ندعم التواصل باللغة العربية.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope everything was clear. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question.